Today we are looking at a Roskamp 9x12 Model K 2-pair high roller mill. This unit has been totally rebuilt and fully serviced. It has brand new belts, bearings, has a brand new 10 horsepower single phase motor. Unit has been sandblasted, primed, and painted, and is ready to go to work. This is a look here at the serial tag. You can see it gives the machine type there, 9x12 model, and then serial number 6744. The year this was manufactured was 1983. This is a look inside the belt guard of the roller mill. You can see the new belts. We put new all thread too, all throughout this unit for your adjustments on your rolls. And up here you can see the sticker. If you ever have to order replacement belts, those are the sizes. This unit is kind of unique in that it has some very nice features. We don't get very many units in like this. It is designed so that you can run your product through both sets of rolls, the top and the bottom. And it is also set up so that you can bypass with this lever the bottom set of rolls and only use the top set, or feed into this secondary hopper out the back here, which goes into the bottom set. This lever adjusts your feed flow gate when you are feeding just the bottom set of rolls, and you lock it in place with this wing nut. And this lever here on the front of the mill adjusts the gate or the hopper on top. And again, once you have the flow set, you can lock it in position with the wing nut. Both hoppers have a set of barnacle magnets in each one. Again, this hopper down here you would use only if you are feeding the bottom set of rolls. Otherwise you would be going into this hopper on top. Both hoppers are equipped with agitators to help you achieve even flow of grain through the unit. Here we are looking at the top set of rolls. It has 6 grooves per inch on the top, on both rolls on the top set. Now we are looking in at the bottom set of rolls. These have been corrugated to 12 grooves per inch. Here we are looking under the top set of rolls. You can see in there where your gate is for changing the flow of your grain through the mill. This would be bypassing your bottom set of rolls right now and going right out the bottom, or this would be going through both sets of rolls, the top and the bottom. On the front here we have an inspection door, which you would use to check if you were bypassing the bottom set of rolls. You would see grain flowing right down here. Here we are looking at the side of the roller mill. This adjustment adjusts the gap or the space between the rolls. You can see it moving the back roll in and out. Both the top set and the bottom set of rolls has this adjustment. This unit is also equipped with roll stops. What this does is it helps keep you to where you don't move your rolls too close together. You can see that stop in there. This is equipped on both the bottom set and the top set of rolls. This unit is equipped with roll scrapers on the bottom set of rolls. On the inside, it's across the entire width of the roll. This helps keep excess grain buildup off the rolls and from sticking to the rolls. We now have the roller mill running for you. The unit is very nice and quiet. Runs very smooth. All new bearings and a new motor have been installed. New belts. This unit is ready to go back to work.